My name is Schaefer.
I'm Rebel.
Showing us what they look like on the inside.
Come inside, sir.
We interrupted his lunch. So you said like this one, what does this one run? How much if somebody was to buy it?
160,000.
160,000 pesos, which
Free
would
delivery.
free delivery into the United States. Just checking.
Last price, man. 140.
140, huh? That's the best price, huh? Free delivery. Okay, so what areas do you take these to? Do you take them all over the Philippines or just some all?
Here in Mindanao.
Oh, in Mindanao. Okay, so any place in Mindanao.
Yes, sir.
That is great. How long does it take to build one of these?
1 week.
1 week. So this one is about $3,000, and you've got a door here, and this is really, really neat. If we could get these to the United States, that would be excellent. This is awesome. So there's different ones, and so we'll find out. This is the big one, and it is, you can see, really, really neat. And it's all made out of bamboo, huh? You've got the windows, you've got, if you don't want the wind blowing through. And this also has, you can put air conditioning in here, huh? And you have a sliding door. This is a nice bedroom, and you have a place for cabinets in there. You have your place for air conditioning here. You have electric in the house. This is a very nice one. Now, what does this one run?
180.
So 180, and John's going to use this.
It's 3,100, sir.
3,100?
Yeah.
So $3,100, and you've got a house that you're ready to live in, huh?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. And this, you got floor, out here you kind of have is this kind of like a bamboo style?
Yes, sir.
Floor in here, and does the table come with it and everything?
Yes, sir.
Does the table come with that, or?
Included na pa
No, free na siya, talang fixed na siya, sir.
it's all included. Yeah.
Wow, and that is just, and that is nice. And you have your sink, you can have running water if you want it in here.
Yeah.
And you're set. Just absolutely.
Inclusive of everything you see, sir.
And you have the electrical sockets here, plugs in for both European and American electricity. How long to make one like this?
1 week, sir.
1 week.
5 person.
5 people are working on it. Like, what are these?
Sheet.
Okay, so this is kind of like this is more basic.
Yeah.
And this is probably what, about 8 feet by
6 by 8 feet, sir.
6 by 8 feet. And what does this one run?
40,000 pesos.
40,000 pesos. Very, very nice. Now let's see, are we able to, is there any other different styles? Like there's this one over here. So what if somebody wants to purchase one of these from you? How do they get a hold of you?
Contact number.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Right. Do you have a number that you advertise with or anything
Yes.
like that? And what's the name of your company?
Longno bamboo house, sir. We have adaptability.
What other ones now? Is this one a little bit? This is a little bit smaller. And what is this? What does this one run?
80,000, sir.
80,000. So what would 80,000 be, John?
1,300, sir.
1,300. So yeah, look at this. This is really neat. It has a bed here, and it's got a place for a cabinet. And this is kind of the traditional, what you would think of as a traditional door. But this is really neat. You can put your sink here. Does this come with the sink, or you add that?
Yes, sir. Free sink.
Free sink in here, and you have your kitchen area, living room,
Receiving area.
yeah.
It's very cool.
And then you can also, the nice part about this one is these have windows that you can open up if you want the air to come through, or you can also close them down, and you have access to the fresh air if you want it. It's very, very nice. Now this one does not have electricity in here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it does not. So this one, you're going to have to light it up your own way. But this is very nice. And so this one is, what did you say the cost was in US dollars?
1,300.
$1,300. Beautiful unit. So the one next door, we can take a look at that. Now, what size is that one there?
Like this, sir.
Oh, it's
75
exactly the same size.
Same
Is
size.
the layout the same?
Yes, sir.
So it's just a kind of a different coloring.
Coloring and these railings.
Oh, that doesn't have the railings.
Yeah.
So what does that one end up running?
80. It's only 80. Like this.
Oh, same price.
Same price.
So why would somebody want these versus not having those? What would be the
Like
reason?
the beach, open.
Oh,
Okay, masulod lagi tao.
The bits area.
so if you're gonna put a place on the beach, then you would want to have it all open so you could see in there.
No.
That is very nice. Let's take a quick look at that. So this is very, very nice in here. This is about, I think, what did he say, 1,300? And the flooring on this is very firm where it isn't something that's flimsy. This is really well built. Now, this one has not had the coat put on it. Are you going to put a coat on it? Or?
Yes, sir. We put the color.
Oh, okay.
It's new.
So somebody's going to choose the color and then you'll put it on and you'll make it last for a long time, huh?
Yes, sir.
The Explorer Esquire is sponsored by southwestlegal.com. If you or a family member facing legal problems in the state of California, give Southwest Legal a call at 760-922-5051. 800 number is 888-922-5051. Also, you can reach Southwest Legal on the World Wide Web at southwestlegal.com.
Now this one has this over here, which is a little bit different. Is this okay to go into this one?
Yes, sir.
And so this one is how many feet?
7 by 10, sir.
Now is this going to also have windows in it?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to put windows in there that will
Window and a sink.
a window and a sink here. And this one is also how many? Is this also the 80,000 pesos?
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is really neat. This is neat. Absolutely incredible. Now this is kind of neat. I like this. Where you just sit here and you've got that's what this is for, right? To sit down and put your feet up and enjoy life.
And what's nice about this, sir, is that when it's very hot outside, it's cool inside.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Free air conditioning. This one here is 6 by 10 feet. And the roofing is not as high as some of the other ones. What does this one end up running? 50,000 pesos. So this one's 50,000 pesos. And 50,000 pesos
900.
would be about $900. So about $900. And you can come and you can visit them and they will take these and deliver these any place in Mindanao for you, and the price is included. That's a really good deal. And this is more of kind of like just if you're going to have a lunch and dinner, family time together, this would be great. But there's also the other ones over there that you end up being able to live in and have air conditioning, and really, really nice. So who did the artwork on here?
Those who build this house.
Wow, they really added a nice touch to it. Now this was the biggest one, right? So this one, look at this one, and this is really, really neat. You got everything you need. You got an air conditioner. You got a place to, just to live, hang out, and then also you can have your family over and have a neat time sitting around the table and enjoying themselves. They've taken a lot of pride in building this. You can see how they've added the artwork in here, and this is really, really neat. John's mother is really good with plants, and so this would look like a jungle if it was anywhere close to their property. It would be, you'd have plants up there high, plants low, and yeah, you can hang the plants on the awning. Yeah, this is absolutely incredible. Now this one over here is more in the earlier stages of being constructed. This is early on, and they're still constructing it. And this is coming together, that you can see the way that they end up putting this together. It's really impressive. A lot of work. And they've been in business for 7 years doing this now? 7 to 8 years. Well, this is nice. Where do you get the bamboo from? You get it here from this island?
No, in Panapu.
And so they bring it, they haul it in, and then you guys do it, take care of it here. This is this fresh? And
Fresh.
So do you use it like that, or do you have to dry it out more?
We use it fresh.
And so, is this what will go up on the roof? So let's say somebody has it for 8, 10 years, and then it's time to replace the roof.
Yes.
How do they get it replaced? How do they replace that? Do they call you, or do they call somebody else?
Call us.
Call you guys, and you guys can come out and do it. How long does it take you to replace it?
Maybe 1 day.
So just 1 day out, huh? And so let's say something this, or let's say that size. If they wanted to replace that, how long does that take?
1 day.
And what does that cost to replace it? How much would you charge to replace the
It
roofing?
depends on the laborer who can replace.
Okay, so you don't go there and do it.
Yes,
You-
sir.
you do?
My people.
Oh, your people do. So let's say that it's someplace in Mindanao. How much does it cost to have somebody come out and replace that?
Hindi na murag ako.
Range ni mo, sir. Pila usually yung ginabayad pag mag-ilis og atop. Atop lang.
Wala pa ako. Ano sir, ko may katry do pag ko may nagpaduol semua kasi sila ram po ano. They
So what he's trying to say, sir, is that they haven't experienced yet, customers.
Oh,
coming
because
back
7
to them,
years.
yeah,
Yeah, you
asking for.
maybe next year. So you got to think about this.
yes sir.
Especially if it's the last 7, 8 years. Especially since they've only been in business for 7 to 8 years, and so eventually somebody's going to come back and say, "Hey, I want to have my roof redone," and so he hasn't quite figured out what he's going to charge, right? So these are from Mangalicious, just right down the street here in Samal Island, just across the bay from the bow. So we're getting ready to get our food here. There he is. What is this called here?
This is Filipino beef steak, sir.
Okay, is that Filipino beef, chicken, garlic rice.
Wow.
Great, and mango.
Mangalicious.
Yes, Mangalicious. Yes. These are excellent. Have you had one before? They're really good.
Can I get it, sir?
Sure. Thank you. So we're in for some great food today. We're here at Hagimit Falls here in Samal Island. And you look up here and you can see some really waterfalls. It looks like it's kind of milky colored because of the rain. But it's a beautiful area down here. And you got to watch the steps going down because your feet can fly out right from underneath. Here at the waterfalls, usually if there wasn't the rain upstream, the water would be very clear. Here today, because of the rain that's taking place, it's a little murky, not quite as clear, but you can still see the majesticness of the waterfalls here.